Well, spring is here and summer is right around the corner.
It is time to get ourselves and our homes ready for the warmer weather and the get-togethers this time of year brings. We've got some products here that can help with that.
Our counter's not quite big enough for the next product to showcase, so we're going to take you online to Sirena. It's the most advanced vacuum in the world. You got to check this thing out. It's perfect if you're hosting a graduation party or a summer get-together. Sirena is designed to be a total home cleaning system, a must-have for allergy sufferers, pet owners, anyone who wants to know their home is clean. It incorporates water-based filtration, a double protection with HEPA filter to eliminate, you know, those allergies, those triggers, the pet hair and the odor. You can get this. It also works as an air purifier.
Wow.
Can you believe that? An air purifier and an air inflator. It retails for $889. Shop at HomeDepot.com, SirenaVacuum.com, and specialty vacuum stores all across the nation.